In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound problem on ASCIICraft game mobile. So, first step, open your settings of your phone, click on your apps option and search for ASCIICraft and click. You should guys scroll these links down, click storage and click clear cache. Hit just back, click force stop now, click OK. Right now, just move to Play Store or App Store, update ASCIICraft, restart your device, and that's all. Hopefully, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.